In this guide, I'm going to show you the 3 easiest ways to farm simple gun parts here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first method is actually the easiest and by far the most consistent method, and that's going to be going up to the trader section and opening up Celeste. And if you actually scroll to the bottom of her trade list right here, you'll see that you can exchange 7 seeds for 1 simple gun part, just like so. And you can actually end up doing this up to 5 times per day, which is super convenient. The second method is just going to be in your inventory. If you have any extra guns in here, what you're going to want to do is just right click on them, hit recycle. And most guns are going to break down into simple gun parts, giving you 1 or more depending on the item. This is a great way to turn unused gear into valuable resources. Now the third method is going to be on the map, and what you're going to want to do is loot arc drops. Now simple gun parts overall are pretty common while exploring, and you can really find them in any areas. But you can specifically find them in lockers, drawers, mission loot, and drops from Arc Raiders. So as long as you're running missions and looting containers, you'll naturally collect tons of these over time. But that is it. You don't really have to play any actual maps. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.